Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can update your shipping address on Pandora Jewelry account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC and on the top search bar type us.pandora.net. Then you'll be directed to the official website of Pandora Jewelry. Here you have to make sure that you're already logged into your account. Now on the top right corner of your screen, you can see a profile icon. If you click it, on the fourth option you'll see My Address Book. Click on the My Address Book option. Then on this page you'll be able to view your current address. Now if you'd like to add a new address, all you'll have to do is click on the Add New Address button. But since we're going to update our shipping address, we'll have to click on this Edit button. Then you'll be directed to this page where you'll be able to edit your address. You can click on any of the information that you'd like to update. Here I'm going to update my address line. After filling in the updated information, all you'll have to do is click on this Save button. And now your shipping address on Pandora has been successfully updated. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.